He says so.
How is he putting you at risk?
You can ask him.
Is it that there's speculation that prosecutors are putting pressure on him to cooperate with their investigation into you?
No, we're talking about...
In a shocking turn of events, newly surfaced documents have revealed that Mayor Tiffany Henyard of Dolton, Illinois, has been living an extravagant lifestyle funded by taxpayer dollars. The revelations expose a series of lavish expenditures, including tens of thousands of dollars spent on first-class flights, luxury accommodations, and private shopping sprees. This reckless spending spree occurred while the financial situation of Dolton continued to deteriorate, adding another layer of scandal to Henyard's already controversial leadership. The documents paint a troubling picture of a mayor indulging in luxury while the very people she was elected to serve struggle with debt and economic instability. These revelations have further damaged her credibility, raising serious concerns about her ability to lead the town through its financial crisis. As if the financial scandal weren't damning enough, Henyard has also enlisted the services of a highly controversial attorney, Beau Brindley. Brindley's past is marred by questionable and even criminal cases, raising significant concerns about Henyard's judgment. He is perhaps best known for defending R. Kelly's former manager, who was involved in a notorious child abuse case. Now Brindley stands at the forefront of Henyard's legal defense, further complicating an already messy situation. His track record of representing individuals with troubling legal histories has left many wondering if Henyard's decision to hire him is a desperate attempt to salvage her political career, or if there are even more disturbing reasons behind her choice. Adding to Henyard's mounting troubles, a new lawsuit has surfaced, alleging that she covered up a serious assault involving a town employee. The lawsuit claims that after the assault was exposed, Henyard retaliated against the victim by placing her on unpaid leave in an attempt to silence her and keep the incident hidden from the public. This latest legal challenge threatens to deliver a devastating blow to Henyard's already unstable political standing. Meanwhile, her legal team appears to be struggling under the weight of the federal investigation into her finances, creating even more chaos within her administration. With every new legal and financial revelation, it is becoming increasingly clear that Henyard's political future is in serious jeopardy. The once promising leader, elected to bring change to Dolton, is now at the center of multiple scandals, each more damaging than the last. Henyard's choice of legal representation and the emergence of this explosive new lawsuit have only fueled the growing public distrust in her leadership. As the investigation into her financial misconduct intensifies, it remains uncertain whether she will be able to recover her reputation or even keep her political career alive. The pressure is mounting and the stakes are higher than ever. With her secrets being exposed one by one, Henyard's future hangs by a thread. Is this the beginning of Mayor Tiffany Henyard's downfall? The embattled leader of Dolton has once again found herself in the headlines. This time, however, it is not just her lavish spending or her contentious clashes with the town's board that are drawing attention. It is her stunning decision to hire an attorney with a deeply tarnished reputation. In a move that has left many shocked, Henyard has brought in Beau Brindley, a lawyer infamous for defending some of the most notorious figures in American legal history. Brindley's past is riddled with scandals, bribery allegations, and associations with high-profile criminals. His record of defending controversial clients has led many to question Henyard's judgment, especially at a time when her political career is already at risk. Perhaps his most infamous case was his defense of R. Kelly's manager, who faced serious charges, including witness tampering, conspiracy, and child abuse. Despite the severity of the accusations, Brindley successfully defended his client, raising major concerns about his ethical standards and his willingness to do whatever it takes to win a case. Henyard's decision to hire Brindley has sparked outrage and confusion. His history with high-profile criminal cases, combined with his questionable legal tactics, has led many to wonder what motivated Henyard to select him as her representative. Critics argue that this move signals that Henyard's decision-making is becoming increasingly erratic, further damaging her already fragile political reputation. To make matters worse, Brindley's legal approach has long been the subject of scrutiny. Known for representing individuals involved in deeply troubling legal cases, he has developed a reputation for using unorthodox and often unethical strategies to secure victories for his clients. His aggressive and controversial tactics have earned him the nickname the lawyer of last resort, as he often defends clients with the most scandalous backgrounds. His willingness to take on seemingly indefensible cases has only added to the firestorm surrounding Henyard's administration. As public trust in Henyard's leadership continues to crumble, many are left wondering how much longer she can hold on to power. With the weight of multiple investigations, lawsuits, and financial scandals pressing down on her, it seems increasingly unlikely that she will be able to recover from this series of political disasters. The once promising leader now finds herself fighting for survival as the walls close in around her. Mayor Tiffany Henyard's decision to hire Beau Brindley has sparked widespread controversy, with many questioning whether this move is a desperate attempt to salvage her political career or if there is a more sinister reason behind her choice. Given the growing number of legal and financial problems she faces, some speculate that Henyard may be seeking a lawyer who is willing to bend, or even break, the rules to protect her interests. Brindley's track record only adds to these concerns. He has a long history of representing clients with dubious and, in some cases, criminal backgrounds. His past includes defending individuals accused of financial crimes, tax fraud, and connections to high-profile criminal cases. His reputation for defending some of the most notorious figures in legal history has fueled speculation about whether he is truly the best choice for Henyard, especially when her political future is already hanging by a thread. As if Henyard's financial troubles and questionable leadership weren't enough, a new and even more disturbing lawsuit has surfaced. The lawsuit accuses her of covering up an assault involving a town employee. According to the allegations, after the incident became public knowledge, Henyard retaliated against the victim by placing her on unpaid leave to silence her and prevent the assault from becoming widely known. This latest legal challenge threatens to deal a devastating blow to Henyard's already fragile political standing, potentially marking the beginning of the end for her tenure as mayor. Despite these mounting legal challenges, Henyard's choice of Brindley as her attorney has only deepened concerns about her judgment and decision-making. Brindley has been accused of engaging in unethical legal practices, including coaching witnesses to fabricate evidence and obstructing justice. In one particularly troubling case, he was alleged to have prepared witnesses with detailed Q&A sheets, designed to manipulate their testimony in court. Although he ultimately avoided legal repercussions, the accusations against him continue to raise serious questions about his professional integrity. Adding to the controversy, former clients of Brindley have come forward with allegations that he took their money and disappeared without providing the promised legal services. Some have gone as far as to call him a fraud and a criminal, painting a grim picture of his legal practice. The numerous complaints about Brindley's lack of professionalism and ethical standards have only fueled speculation about why Henyard, already under fire for financial mismanagement and scandal, would choose to align herself with such a polarizing figure. Given Brindley's questionable history, many are left wondering whether Henyard is trying to conceal something even more damaging than what has already been exposed. Could her decision to hire him be a desperate move to protect herself at any cost? Or does it signal an even deeper level of corruption within her administration? Whatever the reason, her decision has only further tarnished her reputation and alienated the very voters who once supported her. With an FBI investigation into her financial dealings intensifying, Henyard's choice of legal counsel could play a crucial role in determining her political survival. In the wake of these revelations, many are beginning to speculate that her days as mayor are numbered. Her mismanagement of public funds, controversial leadership decisions, and questionable legal strategies have left her political career on the brink of collapse. As each new scandal unfolds, it becomes increasingly difficult to see how Henyard can restore her credibility or regain the public's trust. With her political future growing more uncertain by the day, one thing is clear: hiring Beau Brindley has only made matters worse. Public confidence in her leadership is rapidly eroding, and with each new revelation about her financial misconduct and legal troubles, it seems more likely that her political career will come to a swift and dramatic end. The stakes are high, and the pressure continues to mount as Henyard's secrets come to light. The political turmoil surrounding her administration shows no signs of slowing down, and the fallout from her decisions, both personal and professional, could reshape Dolton's future for years to come. Questions about her financial mismanagement, her legal battles,